Hey there, I'm Jane. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to edit PowerPoint slides inside a video presentation. Let's say that you have a video of a PowerPoint presentation and the information that's being spoken is accurate, but for whatever reason, the slides need to be either updated or replaced. We can manipulate that using iMovie. Also, let's say that the person who gave you the PowerPoint presentation just doesn't have time to reshoot the entire video, as was the case with one of my clients. If you know how to add a watermark to a video, then you'll get the hang of this pretty quick. The first thing you want to do is open up your video, the video presentation that you want to edit inside iMovie. You want to go through the entire video and listen as well where you need to replace the present slides. So right here, I need to replace advantages of beliefs with another slide. And I'm going to right click. I already did this, but what you want to do is right click and split click, or press Command and V is what I do. So I'm going to replace this one, advantages of beliefs, with a newer one. So now that I have that cut out for me, I'm going to go to my updated slides. So here's the one that I'm going to replace it with. I'm going to choose a slide and download it in a PNG format. Now I already did that. Next, you're going to drag over your new slide on top of your old slide. You're gonna hover it above and just drop it. Next, make sure that you have that highlighted. It's in yellow. And click on the crop button. It's on Ken Burns, so click on Fit. Next, you want to click on the video overlay settings. There you go. It says cutaway. Choose picture in picture. There you go. And now you're going to expand it. So make sure that it fits right, center it. So once you have that ready, you're going to go back over to your new slide down there. You're going to drag it across to the entire clip that you want to cover. Now we're going to pull back the curtains by adjusting the fade in. Here you see when you click on your new slide, you see there's these little corners, the curtains, you see that? That's the fade in. So we're going to adjust it and we're going to go to -0, because we don't want anyone to know that there's a slide beneath, that there's an old slide. Here's what it will look like if you don't adjust the fade in. See? Do you see that, how it changes? So this is why it's very important to adjust the fade in. And if for some reason it still looks a little funky, you can always drag that a little bit over and you won't have that problem. Now let's see the transition. See, we got it. And that's it. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. Go back to your PowerPoint slides, download and drag, download and drag. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comments.